Damn, we got a whole Christmas up in here. Look at that. What is up, guys? I am so pumped to be back, and I apologize for last week not having any videos out. It was quite the week. We had a lot of things going on, which can potentially bring you guys way better content, this and that. I'm not going to spoil too much until everything is finalized. But if you guys are new to this channel, please lightly tap that subscribe button. And if you guys do remember this Audi S4, we had some problems with the hood. We got an A5, S5 hood for it. But now we have finally got the correct hood, which is right over here. We did our measurements on this hood because the A5 and the A4, same chassis, have the same hood part number, so which is very trippy. I don't know, Audi, do something about that. But this hood here has no damage. Everything seems to be perfect. Also, over here, we do have a white hinge. You guys saw that. I thought it was a hinge at first just because, I don't know, you guys, if you guys saw the previous videos, you would understand what I was talking about. We're gonna put the blue hinge back on, that way we don't have to paint this one over here, and then we're gonna test fit the hood onto the car, make sure all the gaps sit perfect, make sure our frame is in place, and then after that we're gonna install all the radiators, get this car off the frame machine, get it fired up, get it warmed up, because that's actually the goal for this video, because we have to have the 1M on this frame machine pretty soon. We're gonna be doing the clutch, stage 3 clutch on the 1M, and it has a hole right here. It's very comfy to work on the transmission, pull the transmission, do all that stuff over there. Also, I do have a brand new build right outside over here, which I'm not gonna spoil just yet. It's gonna be Sunday's video. And man, if you guys are following my Instagram at BYBTim, you guys know there's some sneak peeks of that build. Whoo, man, it sounds insane. But boys, let's go ahead and get this thing assembled and off the frame machine. This car is taking way too darn long. Let's hit it. Yo, guys, dude, I can't believe there was so much headache just for that stupid hood. Look at the gaps on this hood. Obviously this needs to be a little bit tighter because the gaps here on this side are pretty big, but it's all even, and this is the correct hood. I am so pumped. It seems like our frame is gonna be all intact right now. Our final thing is go ahead and bolt this on actually, and then close the hood on this on its actual lock. Make sure it sits even all around. Make sure it's not touching anything. Make sure it's not bending anything. We do have a little bit of damage right over here. It's gonna be a blend fender and a repair over there. But besides that, the hood is all perfect condition. Now let's go ahead and put all these radiators in, assemble the rest of this front end, and take it off the frame machine, or what?
Let's do it.
Let's go, boys. Boys, what are you guys doing?
It's not going off the frame.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we just ran into another weird problem, but let me show you guys. I don't know if the camera can capture it, but this is not a perfect rectangle. It's actually like slanted over here, and it seems like it's kind of twisted, and the fan is not fitting on that well. So what we're gonna try to do right now is I'm gonna try to unbend it, try to kind of manipulate it back in its shape. And if that is not successful, we're gonna have to wait for another one, and I'll catch you guys then. But hopefully this all works out. We're actually taking pictures right now, showing the person that this is not right. So yeah, that's weird. Running into these problems is typical with rebuilding a car, but let's try to get this thing fixed because I'm trying to get this car off the frame machine tonight. Let's go. All right, guys, well, it's been a couple of days. We've been waiting for the new radiator, and it is finally here. Right over here is the actually OEM radiator, which hopefully has no damage. Actually, we checked it out, it has no damage, that's for sure, but hopefully everything fits and we can continue doing our car assembling this whole entire front end. We do have a couple more radiators, intercooler, and a AC condenser over there. All of this stuff has to be assembled, and by the end of this video, this car is going to be off the frame machine and ready for paint. So guys, let's get back into it and let's get back to grinding. No way, guys. It's finally off the frame machine. Basically everything is assembled besides the front bumper and the grill. We're just gonna throw it on just to drive it to the paint shop. But guys, look at this thing. Look at this thing, man. It took so long. This is one of the longest rebuilds. It's been on here for like over a month and a half, I think. But everything is lined up. Everything is nice and neat. All this little wiring goes into the bumper, most of it. Got the fog light, got the temp sensor, a couple more miscellaneous things. We'll figure all that out and sort it out once the car is painted, or once we're throwing out the bumper, find everything. But everything is aligning perfectly. We just open the hood. Look at this. Whew. Everything looks so good. I hope you guys can hear me because it is raining outside, and don't look at my little reset button over here. But whatever, right now what we got to do is go to the store, get some antifreeze, and get this thing fired up. It is pitch black outside. I'll show you guys right now, but we're gonna fill it up with antifreeze. Open this rear door over here, show you right now. So it's pitch black, you literally can't see anything. So what we're gonna do is get some antifreeze, open it up, start the car up, make sure it runs this and that, and then next time we're here, we're gonna pull it off the frame machine and run it to the paint shop. We still gotta finalize some gaps on the hood. I'll show you right now. So the hood hinges are a little bent still, although we've unbent them. This side gap is huge. It's just gotta be pushed this way, but it's all even. So that's everything's good. This side is pretty fair. Although this side can be pushed in a lot. See that? It gets small. Basically, all we gotta do is push the hood this way. This gap is gonna get relatively normal, and then we're just gonna adjust this fender, and everything's gonna be perfect. But guys, let's go get some antifreeze right now, and I'll catch you guys back here with antifreeze, filling this puppy up and getting this thing to run. I am way too pumped because this car has been a headache, but let's go get the antifreeze. All right, boys, we are back in the, whatever you want to call it, the tent, the frame machine shop, whatever. We got the antifreeze. This is, you got to dilute this. So we're going to get some distilled water, pour this puppy in here and fire it up. Hopefully we can let it warm up for at least 15 minutes, hear the fans turn on or something, just to get a good sign that it's not overheating or anything. And yeah, I'll put you guys on a time lapse, and we're going to do that right now. All right, boys, last thing for the night, we're gonna go ahead and put this beautiful engine cover on. Go ahead, slap that puppy on. Yo, make it quick and convenient, man. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that thing. Go ahead, close the hood. There she goes. All right, boys, that's gonna be a wrap for tonight. Once again, don't look at my, what's it called, reset button. I know it's pretty huge. I went on live just right now and everyone's like, oh, it's a bigger, that's like a laser target or something. But anyways, I'm just super pumped right now. Get this thing out of here. Technically we can drive it off the frame machine right now, but it's dark outside and we're just gonna leave it outside, so just might as well leave it inside. All right, guys, it's the next time we are here. We got the beautiful M5 chilling right over there. Got the E92 over there, and it is finally time to take this S4 off the frame machine. Whew, man, it's finally beautifully sunny outside. This thing is all assembled and ready to rock. Ready technically for the paint department. So right now what we're gonna do is go ahead and lower this frame bench, roll up that rear gate over there, or whatever you want to say, rear tent door opening, and go ahead and drive this puppy off. Let her warm up once again. Maybe top up some oil or something. Check out all this stuff, whatever lights is still on the dash, and drive it off to paint. All right, let's go. Give it a cold start.
It helps when you have the key.
Oh, it does? Where's the key though? Oh, bet. Here's the key. Wow, what a phenomenal vehicle. Yo, steer a little bit left when you back out. Left, yeah, like that. Keep going. You're good, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, you're good. It's got some weird tranny, dude. It's got some sport dip or whatever it's called. Go straight. Slow down here. You're good. Woo, that was clear. All right, you're good. No way, Jose, man. This thing is finally done, besides paint. This gap right here is a little big, but we're gonna go ahead and push the hood this way. and go ahead and tighten that fender a little bit closer and make everything even. Yo, careful there. Feeling a little bit, yeah, you're feeling too comfortable. Let it warm up a little bit. Look at this thing. Oof. Oof. See what we got in the dash. Man, we got a whole Christmas up in here. Look at that. A lot of those things will turn off once we start driving the car, just because they were unplugged and things like that. But we'll see. We don't know until we start ripping it. So right now we're gonna let it warm up, and we'll go from there. I kind of apologize for time-lapsing everything, just because there was so much work and I wanted to bust through it, make sure it's all done, you know. So I just kind of set up on a time-lapse because it's kind of hard to film and work at the same time when you need two people to help as well, holding up the radiator, holding up this and that. But yeah, boys, look at this thing. All right, guys, we are back at the shop, and it's been a couple of days. We actually got everything checked out. The coolant was a little bit low, added some of that, made sure everything runs and drives, warmed up the car, took it for a spin, everything is good. We got our trip permit on the car. We got everything ready for the paint shop. So in the next episode, this thing's actually gonna be painted and we're gonna start assembling it. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this episode, I apologize. I kind of did a lot of time lapse because I needed to get a ton of work done and just fly through everything and bust it out because this car has been sitting, and I'm really excited to work on my M5. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, watching to the very end. I appreciate all the love, all the support. If you want to support the channel, please cop some merch. I'm actually not wearing some right now, but you guys get the point. Link is in the description area down below, and you guys have a beautiful day.